Today is Sunday, May 12th. This is week number 9 of the following the pineapple progress. Come out here and see how they're all doing. The big one is still growing nicely. Looks like the crown is starting to definitely form on the thing, so not sure whether that means the pineapple is done growing or not, but we've got probably at least 6 inches of pineapple there. And we go to the other little guy right next to it. It's coming along also very nicely. And come back away from it so you can see how the plants overall are doing. And we'll go over to the one that just started blooming a week or two ago. And again, it's formed nicely also. And I found those were the 3 that I encouraged to blossom. But then we come over here in one of the very little plants, and I see we've got a blossom down in there also. And that was one that it's just blossoming on its own. It hasn't been encouraged at all either. Come on down here to the slip on the side. You can see how well that's grown from last week. And then also, again, if they're called slips, up here by the pineapple, they're growing pretty well also. And lastly, here's the one down on this side. So take a look at the plant there on the right, the one that took so long to form its first blossom there. It doesn't look like it's catching up. You know, it has grown obviously in the past week, but it doesn't look like it's grown quite as much now that it's blossoming. Of course, that could just be my imagination too. But so I guess that's the end of the video for this week. We'll see you again next week.